memory should flow through all embodiments, one day through your car, your phone, your laptop. But if you want it in your laptop locally, you can have it. So with that, thank you. Question?
Yeah, kind of one about it as well. Really fascinating. I maybe have three questions. Just answer maybe very short. One is, what is your reward function when you do the reinforcement learning? Right? This is one question. Second question is this persistent experience? It's a kind of procedural memory type of thing. Okay. Third is, how do you develop it? Do you use the Claude code or something?
No, we have some really good research engineers that are very, very deep in this. We released 2 papers and we're releasing another 4 papers in the coming months. We are a very AI native company, so we do use a lot of agents in the loop to expedite the process, but it is half and a half, very brilliant humans with very good agents. The reward function, we have a partial heuristic model, partial RL. So it's a contextual temporal component. And on the reward function, we basically cater to user preferences. So the reward function is minimizing corrections at the time. So we look at the feedback that we get from a flywheel with a human in the loop. We look at the sentiment analysis of how they're communicating over time. And then we optimize the reward function to basically stay away from, kind of frustration-based language is one of the points for RL right now. Yes?
So I understand how I can wire this into my own AI apps, but if I just want to use pure Claude code, how do I get you guys to
MCP.
So just tell me.
MCP, baby. You just literally go one line and you got it. And it works flawlessly. So, and if you want to build into your agents, we have a fully public API. And if you don't want to do either, we have a proxy, which is just a bump in the wire. You just put your LLM of choice through the proxy and you got memory. Yes?
So if everything is encrypted and where does the compute run? Like where everything that you explained, like where does it run? On my computer, on your computer?
Great question. Proprietary now. Basically, a part of the encryption runs locally, right? But another part of the encryption runs on storage because you have to kind of do some magic to the embeddings, because you could actually break down encryption through embedding. Not break down encryption, but guess what is in an embedding through the embeddings. So we do rotation of embeddings. That happens on cloud, but all the encryption happens locally on your device. So we actually just get pre-consolidated data that run on client. Yeah.